Hello and welcome, Ryan here from Fiskal, and today I'm going to take you through a stock take using the WMS app. So there are two ways that we can start a stock take on the app. We can either start it on the app or select an already created stock take that is in progress that was created from the desktop. So on the desktop I can select our plus icon over here and select the new stock take. And I can go ahead and change the effective date, the locations, expense accounts, different filters, and then go and continue with the stock take. Or I can start this from the WMS app. So in the WMS app, we can go to our main menu, select stock take, and select new. Now we get the option to select bins, brands, categories, zones, stock locators, and tags. If I select the entire warehouse, then I will be conducting a stock take for that entire warehouse. And please remember that when we are using a stock take, all of the locations that are selected for that stock take will be unavailable to move inventory in and out of during the stock take. So that includes sales orders, that includes purchase orders, so the receiving of stock, the sending of stock, or picking, packing of stock, and then the assembly of inventory in those locations will not be available. So if I then select bins 1 and 2 and I save, then I will be able to only select those two locations for our stock take. But if I select entire warehouse, it is the entire warehouse. So I go into the item, I scan my barcode, and it says that I should have 179 available. So in my quantity over here, I'm not going to scan all of them. I'm just going to say 179 available. In the WMS configuration, you can select if manual quantities can be, if quantities can be changed manually, or if I need to scan each individual barcode for all of the products that I have in those locations. Obviously, if you're running with hundreds or thousands of units, this can be a bit tedious, and so the manual quantity editor there can be quite a nice function. So I select finish, I go in, I select the next barcode, and it says I should have 600 on hand. So let's change that number to 600, or let's make it 590. Okay, then we select finish and we select finish. So now we get, after we have finished the stock take, we will be able to see all of the different variances of our stock take. So we'll see that we reduced by 51. I don't have barcode set up for all of these different products, so all of these are going to be brought down effectively. The stock take was only using these two products, and so if I select finished, then the stock take is finished. All of the items that were not included in that stock take are reduced to 0, and all of the items that were included and scanned and then the quantity confirmed were obviously taken into consideration. And that is a stock take using the WMS app. Now if I go into Cin7 onto the desktop, I can see here that we have a completed stock take of the main warehouse on today's date, and we have our non-zero stock take, and you can see that all of these products were brought down to 0, and here are the 10 units of the blue gel pens that I counted 590 of. Okay, and that's everything there is to do with a stock take using the WMS app.